Let's build a powerful Sarkari website, transforming your government information into an accessible, user-friendly platform. Our journey begins in WordPress. Ensure you have Elementor and Advanced Custom Fields, or ACF Pro, installed and activated. These are our keys to crafting dynamic and structured governmental content. First, we'll create a custom post type in ACF, navigate to post types and add a new one. Let's call it Sarkari Schemes. This allows us to categorize and manage specific government programs distinctly. Next, we'll define the data for each scheme in ACF. Create a new field group, add fields like scheme name, eligibility, benefits, application deadline, and official link. This structured data is crucial for easy updates and consistent display. Now, let's design how each scheme will look. Go to Elementor templates and create a new single post template. We'll then link this template to our Sarkari Schemes post type. This is where the magic happens. Drag dynamic ACF widgets from Elementor onto your canvas for the scheme name. Use the ACF field widget and select the scheme name field. Repeat this for all the other fields you created, ensuring each piece of information is pulled directly from your ACF data. In addition to your custom fields, incorporate essential widgets like headings for titles, text editors for detailed descriptions, and buttons to link directly to application portals or official websites, all powered by your ACF data. To showcase all your schemes, create a new page. On this page, add the Elementor posts widget. Configure it to display your Sarkari schemes post type. You can then customize the layout, showing featured images, titles, and excerpts for easy browsing. Finally, use Elementor's styling options to create a clean, professional, and government-appropriate look for your website. Ensure readability and easy navigation. Your Sarkari website is now ready to effectively disseminate important government information.